Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up all your text messages on Android. Now, in the Messages app, we can't back them up, unfortunately, so we need to hop out of here and instead go into the Settings app. So open up the Settings app on Android, and usually you can just back them up to Google Drive, which is the easiest. So let's scroll down, and to be able to do that, all we need to do is go to where it says Google here. And within Google, at the very top, it's recommended, but we're going to go to all services at the top right. And now all we need to do is scroll down from here. You'll be able to see as we scroll down, it's backup and restore. Let's tap on backup here. And the first thing we need to do at the bottom is tap on where it says other device data. And once we're in there, you'll be able to see as you scroll down, make sure SMS and MMS messages is toggled on. And this is turned on. You can see backup details 2 megabytes. Now at the very top, make sure backup other device data is turned on. So if that is off, just toggle it on. And now we can go back out of here and just tap on backup now. And it will go through the process of backing up all of those messages to your Google account. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.